Hi guys, and welcome to our channel for a new video. Today we will cook chicken with beer and honey. So enjoy the video.
We will start with the marination of the chicken. Firstly, we add 2 cloves of already minced garlic and 4 tablespoons of honey. Then 2 teaspoons of curry powder and a teaspoon of coriander powder. We will finish with a sprinkle of black pepper. Finally, we massage the meat in such a way as to let it absorb all the flavor and let it to marinate for a couple of hours.
So, to start we will put a little bit of oil in a pan and let it go up to temperature. Immediately after, we will put the chicken to give a first sear in order to retain all the juices. Then, depending on your taste, we are going to add chili and salt. We can also add rosemary and bay leaf in order to give more flavor.
After our chicken has started to be golden brown, we will add about 200 ml of beer and let it cook and the beer evaporated.
If ever the meat is not yet cooked, but the beer has already been evaporated, you should add a little bit of water so that the meat does not burn. Finally, if you want, you can add more honey to have more taste.
And even for today the video is over. If you want to help us, please
Share the video and subscribe to our channel.